there's wisdom to be discovered in the natural presences and the natural forces that surround us in the living universe. The indigenous people know this, and some of that wisdom in its own way has been preserved through the yoga tradition, a deep science, an incredible art, and a profound wisdom of the natural world. Thousands of years later in our modern society, how can we make that work for us? I hope to show you in our second stage of Advanced Yoga Shaktis, the Tao of Life sequence that we'll be studying, how to build a living resonance with the forces around you. When you go to the sea, can your presence by the sea help you with the ideas you need for deep, profound experience through the waves of life? When you're by a tree, can the resonance you create with its presence build extra wisdom within you? Can it clear away the forces which are not so helpful within you and give you a greater sense of support? When you're near the sun, when you're near the land, when you're by a mountain, when you're by the forest, when you're by a river, when you're just by the local park, is there a way you can tune in and discover a greater and higher part of yourself as a result? From a yogic point of view, the answer is most definitely yes. And that's what I hope to show you all in this session. And in this session 2, we will be discovering how to activate the sequence both physically, which is relatively easy for yogis, but pranically, so that our pranamaya kosha awakens to the natural living forces of this wonderful conscious universe we are all within. So I hope you'll join me, and I hope that together we'll have the most fabulous time discovering the very subtle processes of how you can connect with the greatness of all that is around you. I'm looking forward to seeing you.